What up though? It's your girl P Liddy back at it again with another video. Well, y'all should already know what time it is. It is a new month, so it is time for a new box. Boom! ThreadBeast. They hit me up. You've been subscribed to us for a while. Do you want to upgrade at a discount? I said, oh yes. This is really like dense, so I'm excited to see what we have in here. I'm gonna make predictions. I'm gonna say that I have socks this month and that I'm gonna go for pants again. I'm gonna go for pants. I'm pretty excited, so let's open this bad boy. Yeah. Yo, first thing I see are a pair of jeans. First thing, Diamond Supply jeans. Excuse the heck out of me. Jeans, yo. Okay. We already getting like better stuff. This little upgrade thing. I'm still gonna switch back, but this is nice. Okay. What? We got a little. What? We got a little Diamond Supply windbreaker joint going on here. Next thing, what? They trying to keep me on this plan. I'm gonna go back down, downgrade, but dang, I really like this pattern. That's nice. Wow, 3 for 3 so far, ThreadBeast. All right, I see y'all. Okay, next thing. A freaking button up. I haven't had a button up in a second from them. I like any kind of button up. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. Let me show y'all the pattern. Freaking skulls. Pretty cool. I like any pattern, really. There's no pattern that I don't like. This box is lit, man. What else we got? What else y'all got for me? It's so fresh. Asphalt Yacht Club. They make nice freaking baseball tees. It's a baseball tee with like a little map design on it. So you got the little like geographical, whatever you want to call it, map design on the sleeve and whatnot. Wow. All right, another t-shirt. I could wear this for 4th of July. I like it. I love gray. I love gray with a little pop of color. A little pop. A little pop. Okay. Okay, last thing. This is the shirt. It says foreign on the side. I'm not really sure what this is in the middle, but maybe that's the whole point of it, is that it's foreign. So you shouldn't know what it is because it's foreign. It's foreign to me. Maybe it's not foreign to you. But if it's not foreign to you, then maybe you're foreign to me. Think about it. Yeah, they got this nice print. Whatever this means. If you can translate this, comment below and tell me what it is. And don't tell me something dumb like, oh, it says I'm a punk or something stupid. Don't do that, because then I might believe you. And it's gonna hurt my feelings. So if you want to hurt my feelings, then comment, but don't. Wait, what? So this little thing at the bottom, it's like got a little like, y'all see that? It's like got 2 layers to make it seem like it's like 2 different shirts. This is some fancy stuff. Freaking layers. Layers equal fancy. If you wearing layers, that means you got money to put layers on. Me, all I got is a shirt and a jacket. That's all I can afford. But I'm tricking y'all out thinking that I have more money to buy more layers. Thanks, ThreadBeast. But yeah, y'all, that was the end of this box. I like tore through that thing pretty darn fast. If I could choose my favorite 2, would be this little map baseball tee, which is it's dope, y'all. And this windbreaker is pretty freaking dope. Here's the windbreaker and the jeans on right here. Cool. 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 But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite piece was. Let me know if you guys like these unboxing videos. I'm guessing y'all do, since I get my most views on these unboxings. If you want me to unbox other stuff, let me know if you want me to unbox other things. I'll do whatever you want me to unbox. I'll unbox it. I've done these unboxings 3 times now. So subscribe and just watch me get nice clothes. You know? Yeah.